What's going on, guys? It's Gerard. We're back and better than ever on the Backyard Mini Ramp. I've been talking a little bit about wanting to get better at grinds and slides, and that's one of the biggest reasons I made the ramp bigger in the first place. Last week I learned how to backside 5-0 grind, so I've been getting more comfortable with those. But after I got confident in Pivot Fakie, one of the things I wanted to learn was backside 5-0 grind to fakie. So it's really putting together what I learned last week with the backside 5-0 and then coming in fakie just like a Pivot Fakie. So I have no idea if I have the skills to do it. I don't know if I should be working more on my 50-50 to fakies, which I can do off of a power slide, but we're gonna give it a shot tonight. So I'm gonna warm up with some backside 5-0 grinds, some Pivot Fakies, and then see if we can get it. Right now I'm leaning too far back, so the board keeps getting away from me. I've got to find a way to keep my weight more centered so I can come back in. Woo-hoo-hoo! That is what skateboarding for me is all about. Pivot to fakie felt like a huge milestone, but even then I told myself, 5-0 fakie, it's okay. You'll never hit that one. People that are really good do that trick. That's just one you'll leave alone. Like any other trick, the more you do it, the more you want to add to it. So after I learned to actually backside 5-0 grind, it became, can I put the two tricks together? And I was able to get it. I still was a little shaky on my backside 5-0s before trying this, but honestly working on this trick made them feel a lot more solid. And I think that's because to actually hit this trick, you really have to dig your heel in. I was able to get away with some backside 5-0s, kind of balancing over the middle of my body, but I wasn't even getting close to this trick without digging my heel all the way into the coping to really lock in. So not only did that make me able to land this trick, it made my backside 5-0 grinds a lot better and a lot cleaner too. It's still a little unreal that I was able to land this trick. It feels awesome. I'm gonna keep working on some of those front side reverts I started a couple weeks ago, see if we can build upon that, but man, it feels good to get this one today. Thanks for checking out the video. See you guys next time.